Orlando Pirates are on fire in this transfer window. So they've announced yet another player. So Orlando Pirates has announced the signing of Bafana Bafana winger Oswin Appollis. The 23-year-old became Orlando Pirates' 8th official signing and joins the club for an undisclosed fee from Polokwane City. The speedy winger joined Rise and Shine from Pretoria Kelly's in July 2023 and has since seen a remarkable rise and earned him also a spot in Hugo Bros' Bafana Bafana side. He has made 59 appearances for Polokwane, scoring 9 goals, setting up 6 more. He will don the famous black and white colors for the Sea Robbers. So it means that Orlando Pirates beat the competition from North African clubs, from Mamelodi Sundowns and also from Kaizer Chiefs to secure the signing of Oswin Appollis. Appollis has been a hot property since last season. Since the beginning of last season, every team has been trying to sign him. However, Polokwane City were refusing to let him go, asking for a fee of around 20 million rands. We know that Appollis was on his last 12 months on his contract, meaning that he would have been a free agent next season. And any club would have been able to sign him on a free. So that definitely Orlando Pirates didn't pay 20 million for him, given that he's on his last year on his contract. So it means that Polokwane City agreed to sell him because they were afraid that they would lose him for free next season. So is this the best signing by Orlando Pirates in this transfer window so far? Let me hear your thoughts down below. Are you excited by the players that Orlando Pirates are bringing into the team? Pirates signings this season on paper, they look scary. They look really scary. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts down below. Do you think that Orlando Pirates can win the league this season given the amount of signings that they have made? And also, the signing of Oswin Appollis brings more questions. Do you think that Orlando Pirates will now get rid of Saleng? We know that Orlando Pirates and Monapule Saleng have been having issues. So do you think that this is a replacement for Monapule Saleng? Let me hear your thoughts down below. What do you think of this signing? See you next time.